YouTube, it's Ray. Today we are installing this little bob unit here. I'm gonna walk you guys through my process. I am still a beginner somewhat with putting on wigs, but I think I did a pretty good job with this one, and I'm going to show you guys some things that you can do if you are a beginner or new to putting on wigs. I'm going to break it all the way down for you so that you do not feel intimidated, and you can do this as well because I'm a beginner just like you if you're a beginner. If not, and you're just watching this video to see about this hair, that's fine as well. Maybe you will learn something. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. If I'm new to you, definitely share this video. And if you have purchased this hair, let me know what you think. Is this the only units that they have as a bob? You know, just share your feedback. I would love to hear it. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video. Alright, you guys, so I'm showing you the packaging that the hair came in, the hair, the construction on the inside. It's got 2 combs, 13 by 4 inches of parting, I believe. Right here I'm showing you the parting. The hair texture is pretty silky. It also came with some eyelashes, a wig cap, and a card, just a thank you card where you could place another order if you would like. And right now what I am doing is applying some pressed powder to my wig cap and my hairline, and I'm spraying some Got To Be Glued free spray. This is just going to make it look more like our scalp. Right here I'm showing you the hairline. I did not have to cut the ear tabs on this lace. It fit my head very well. Right now I'm about to go ahead and start gluing the wig down. So, well, not glue because I'm not using wig glue, but I'm going to start adhering the wig to my head. So I'm just using these little clips that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm about to take my Got To Be free spray as well as my Got To Be glued gel. And I'm going to use, you'll see in a minute, I'm going to use the one in the black tube. I'm going to start off by applying a thin layer of the Got To Be glued gel to where I am going to place the wig, which is right after my hairline. You don't want to put it like right on your hair. You can, it's just gel, it's not glue or anything, it's just gel, but I try to bring it down just a little bit more further than that so that it's not sitting on so much of my hair. And I'm using this wax stick right here because this is going to help get the little hairs out of the way while I attempt to secure the lace down, because you don't want hairs getting in the way. That just makes for a messy application. And the wax stick that I'm using, I just picked it up from my beauty supply store. It is the Care wax stick. Mine cost me about $17, but they do have alternatives if you do not want to use that one. Here you see me putting the Got To Be gel on the side, and I did swoop some on my hair on the side just because, like I said, I want this to be a neat application. I don't want any of my hairs to be sticking out. And y'all, all this is gel. Like, I know people use it for a glue and an adhesive, but at the end of the day, it's just a strong gel. If you take care of your hair underneath the install and take care of your hair when you remove the wig, it should not damage your hair. And I like that because it keeps my ear tabs secured down on the side by using the gel. And right here you see me spraying the Got To Be free spray. I really like this spray. It lasts a really long time. This spray with the Got To Be gel, your wig will stay on probably for about 2 to 3 days, depending on how careful you are, or you know, if you're sweating or anything like that. And right now I am using my rat tail comb just to help me place the wig down. I'm being very careful on making sure I get this wig in the right placement before I actually mash it down, because Once you mash it down, you don't really want to disturb it and move it. You want to keep it right there, especially if you were using like a stronger adhesive. It would be stuck down once you put it down. So just kind of be gentle in your movement, kind of ease it around until you get it where you want, and then use the comb and press it down. And now what you see me doing to make sure that it's even more secure is using my blow dryer. I'm using it on the lowest heat setting, and I'm pressing that wig down into my hairline and into the gel and the spray that I use. This is just going to make sure that it is adhered to my head. And what I also did not, I did, but I didn't show you guys, I went over top of the lace in certain spots, and I sprayed more got to be glue free spray down and blow dried that as well, just to make sure no lace was lifting up and that everything was just laying down and very secure to my head. You do not want little pieces of your lace lifting up. That is not cute, okay? So now what I'm doing is going in with my hot comb. I am pressing down my roots of my wig. I'm going through and combing it down. This is just going to make it look more seamless. And once you finish this step, you don't have to continue to what I did, which I actually did some baby hairs after this. You could leave it like this. Like you could flat iron it and put some powder in the part, and you could actually leave it like this. It was really flat. I didn't have to do anything extra. I just wanted to be extra, okay? Alright, so now you see me going back in with this wax stick because I'm going to press the front of this wig out. This is really good for when you go to apply your baby hairs. And I did not customize the front of this unit. It would have looked even more natural if I did, but I was pressed for time and I wanted to just get the wig on my head. But if you guys feel comfortable customizing it, definitely do that. I will be doing a video soon to come on how to customize the front of your units. Right now you see me pulling out some hair to go ahead and create my baby hairs. You do not need a lot of hair for the baby hairs. The less hair you pull out, the more easier it's going to be when you go to swoop and make your baby hairs, because I had to do some readjustments to mine. Out of this whole process, I would say the baby hairs is the most challenging part, because you don't want your baby hairs to be too thick, you don't want them to be too thin. You just kind of have to play with them and just practice until you get them how you want. Right now I'm using an eyebrow razor. That's the easiest thing for me to use to kind of get those wispy looking hairs, and I'm going through with the hairs right around the perimeter, and I am creating short hairs. You want your hairs to be, I would say, no longer than an inch on the side and maybe like a half inch in the very front. You don't need long hairs because that's going to make it even harder for you to swoop those baby hairs around if they're really long and really thick. It looks natural if they are shorter and thinner, and I would recommend, if you're not sure, starting off longer and thicker and then going in and tweezing, like how you see me tweezing some of the hair, because I had made them too thick. So now I'm going in and tweezing so that I can get the natural look of baby hairs that I want. So yeah, you kind of just gonna have to play with it, go back and forth, tweeze some, razor it, and just go back and forth until you get the desired look, which is what you see me here, because I do not want no little Kim Muppet baby hairs, okay? We want to look like this grew out of our scalp, even though we know it didn't, but we don't want to be looking like we got just, no, that's not cute. So and it's practice, it takes time. Okay, now I'm using this lot of body foam. This is the easiest method that I have found to get my baby hairs to like kind of swoop around and lay in place, is to just use a lot of wrapping foam. See how easy like that is, me swooping it around? Like, it makes it so easy. Using the wrapping foam and using the rat tooth comb, that is going to help you tremendously when you're doing your baby hairs. Some people use gel, some people use the freeze spray. I have tried everything, but this is the easiest way to get them to go where you want them to go, and to just be effortlessly when you are combing them, and it looks so natural with you using the mousse, okay? Now what y'all see me doing, don't judge me, using my dirty little scarf to lay down my baby hairs because I want them to be laid. I want my wig to be melted, okay? So I'm using this scarf to lay everything down just to make sure that everything is in place. My wig is secured to my head. It's not going to move. My baby hairs is down. They not going to come up. My lace is melted. It ain't going to be lifting. All of that. Yeah, that's what this scarf is for. And I'm also flat ironing my hair, y'all. Do not mind my messy room in the back, okay? I forgot that I left my door open. My room is messy. Y'all probably hear construction all in my background audio right now because I ain't gonna lie. I'm sitting in my parking garage trying to do this voiceover for y'all so I can get this video up. So just don't judge me, okay? We almost done. But yeah, I'm flat ironing my hair and I am almost done. I'm about to explain to y'all and wrap up the steps that I did for this hair. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all again soon. And one more thing, y'all, that I wanted to add was that I really like this hair. It is by U Crown Hair, a vendor on Amazon. I only paid $55 for it. It's very silky. I got so many compliments on this little bob, y'all. And I will leave all the details in the description box for y'all. All right, bye. We should be closer than friends if you OP. Hi guys, I'm back. I have put this wig, I finished putting it on my head. All I did was, I'm not sure if I showed this or not, but I just flat ironed the hair. After I molded my baby hairs down, I just flat ironed the hair, which I think I showed you guys. And that's it. And I took my scarf off. I did have to readjust the baby hairs and I tucked it behind my ear. I'm still working on my baby hairs, y'all. I really love how this side came out. This side we're gonna put her away. She's all right, she'll pass. But this side, baby, is slaying, okay? So yes, I like this wig. If I did not give you guys the specifics while I was putting on the wig, this is a 12-inch wig. It's a 130 density and I only paid $60 for it. I really like it. It has minimum flyaways. It is pre-plucked, but and it was really well plucked, like in the front. All I would recommend is like flattening her out like around the edges. You don't really have to like go in and customize. I don't do that all the time if it's really dense. This hairline is a little bit dense, but once you go in with your hot iron and your hot comb and your wax stick, it's gonna flatten it out. And if you add the baby hairs, it'll give it like some more shape so it's not straight across. And that's what I did. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help you. I'm still, you know, kind of a beginner as well. So I'm just sharing with you guys some of the things that I do that'll help you out if you are a beginner as well. And if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, rate, comment, subscribe, and yeah, that is all. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.